Recalling the yearly horrors faced by the Bureau of Internal Revenue's employees every last day of filing of the income tax return, the BIR appealed to the public to file ahead of the deadline and avoid the last-minute compliance. This report from Keith Cruz.
With few more days ago, Bureau of Internal Revenue appeals once more to taxpayers to file their income tax. This is to avoid long lines of taxpayers come April 15.
Definitely by April 15. So I'm appealing to our taxpayers to file and pay their taxes early. Dahil pagdating ng April 15, as mentioned by our commissioner already, that we will only receive returns until 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
On the first day of April, BIR immediately set up tables and makeshift offices in front of its in Caloocan City that caters taxpayers from Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, Valenzuela, and Bulacan.
Ang sektor ng mga negosyo should be filing the returns. Yung mga may negosyo, self-employed individuals, as well as professionals.
Then afterwards, meron tayong tinatawag na audit. So ino-audit natin ito after their filing. Halimbawa, pre-audit natin. So may nakita tayong potential na halimbawa mukhang bababa ang compliance. Because we are comparing these taxpayers by industry. We have to group them by industry later on. Meron tayong tinatawag na benchmark. So kinukuha natin yung median doon. So lahat ng taxpayers na nandun sa baba ng median, yun yung binibigyan natin ng pansin during the audit.
And due to the renewed campaign of the Bureau, BIR expects to haul more revenues this year as election spending heats up. The agency, along with the Commission on Elections, previously handed out notices to politicians reminding them of their obligation to pay taxes from election-related expenditures and others.
Pa-print sila ng kanilang resibo para lahat ng donasyon na tatanggapin nila, whether in cash or in kind, re-resibuhan nila. At lahat ng disbursements nila, lalo na yung pagpapagawa nila ng mga campaign materials nila, dapat mag-withhold sila.
This is Kate Cruz for News at 1, Junior Edition.